Hello everybody. Today, let's look at how you can reduce false positives using Log360's adaptive threshold. One of the main challenges in cybersecurity management is reducing false positives. To achieve this, you need to monitor your network continuously and adapt to changing conditions. Static thresholds can overlook subtle changes in attack behavior, leading to unnecessary alerts and missed threats. Log360 Manage Engine SIM solution offers advanced monitoring capabilities that can be utilized to reduce false positives. It provides detailed insights and smart alerting mechanisms for the following. Firstly, Log360 meticulously analyzes network traffic logs. It tracks successful login attempts, failed login attempts, and data transfer patterns over a defined baseline period, typically the past month. This comprehensive monitoring helps establish a clear understanding of what normal network activity looks like in your environment. Next, Log360 leverages adaptive threshold to automatically adjust the expected number of login attempts, data transfer volumes, and other relevant metrics. These adjustments are based on historical baselines, ensuring that the threshold remains relevant and accurate as your network evolves. Log360's smart alerts are designed to minimize false positives by only triggering alerts when network activity significantly deviates from the adjusted thresholds. You can also choose to set the time frame to be within your business or non-business hours. By utilizing adaptive threshold, Log360 enhances the accuracy and efficiency of detecting genuine threats. This approach minimizes false positives and reduces alert fatigue for security teams, allowing them to focus on actual security incidents rather than sifting through numerous false alerts. Contact our technical experts to learn more about Log360's adaptive threshold and how to optimize it for your environment.